Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. What is the only surah in the Quran that begins with one of the names of Allah the Exalted? Surah Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman, the extremely merciful. And Surah Ar-Rahman is essentially Surah Ar-Rahmah, a surah that illustrates to us the many different forms, the many different shades of Allah's mercy upon His slaves. But what is the first expression of Allah's mercy that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in the surah? It is not the fact that He gave us life. It is not the fact that He gave us the ability to express ourselves, or that He has given us different material blessings. No. The first blessing, the first expression of mercy that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in the surah is the fact that allama al-Quran, the fact that He taught the Quran. And this shows us that the greatest blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon us, and the most significant of all the blessings that we have, is the presence of Quran in our lives. The ability to know the Quran, the ability to understand the Quran, to recite it, and to live with it. Join me in my upcoming class with Al-Maghrib Institute called Denial, in which we go over the tafsir of Surah Yaseen and Surah Ar-Rahman. And let us delve deep into the study of these surahs together so that we can appreciate Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's greatest gift to us.